Hello, welcome back to Feng Cart. In this video, we are going to explore how you can customize your product listing. First, the header. This is where your collection image is displayed at the top. And with Feng Cart, you have more than 60 image transitions to choose from, making every header unique and dynamic. Next, let's look at the menu. You can choose from 12 different menu types and even adjust the colors to perfectly match your brand identity. And finally, the lists section. Here you decide how products are displayed. Choose from a classic grid, the immersive 3D grid, a swipe-style Tinder layout with 3 themes, or go with one of the smooth slider styles, also available with 3 themes. Let me show you how the app looks with this configuration. With Feng Cart, customizing your product listing is instant and the changes are live right away. No coding required. And finally, if you need help, just chat with us live. Try it free today and launch your app in minutes. See you in the next video.